Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting the repair. Open Settings and confirm Windows Update completed, then restart if needed. Next, collect your VPN details, server address, protocol, username, and password, because you will re-enter them. Make sure to temporarily disable any third-party firewall or antivirus that could block connections. Note exactly what you changed so you can re-enable later. Once done, open the built-in network and internet settings so you're ready to recreate or edit the VPN profile. Now recreate and test the connection step by step. Remove the existing VPN profile in Settings VPN, then add a new connection choosing the correct VPN type like ICAV2 or L2TP and entering the precise server name. Choose the appropriate sign-in method and enable Remember My Sign-In info if desired. After saving, run the network adapter troubleshooter to detect issues. Then connect and confirm reachability by visiting a simple website or pinging the server. This proves whether DNS or finish with advanced fixes and a clear fallback plan. Run an elevated command prompt and execute netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, then restart to clear corrupt network state. If problems persist, inspect VPN logs, switch protocol, or use TCP port 443 to bypass strict networks and verify DNS settings. Make sure to re-enable security software after tests. If none of this works, try connecting from another device to isolate the issue. Then contact your VPN provider with error messages and diagnostics for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.